I'm coming, love.
Hey, hey, party! Hey, hey!
This is how the fall looks like from behind. This is a cave and water comes literally from that side up. Yeah, and this place is slippery, so you have to be careful. See.
Since '06 I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them, them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love, I've seen that way, believe I do the world, I've seen that. stay with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm your cousin's love. Hold you for right now.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Man said, follow the stars. There you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay. Follow my way. I'm feeling
Nice shit and for you like this stuff. Inside that car. We have a small thing today. Let's go and first get something to eat. And let's go and jam.
It's in my page, so she had bad. Anytime I'm high, I knock it out. Rubber band, oh rubber band. Every time I put down, she show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. But do you cool? I'm happy that. But do you cool? Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I do when you talk, I go do, man. Me another girl for my visuals. Loving you like my ritual.
So guys, that's why they cut from that side. So by then you have to be strong enough to eat street food. So if you have a low immune system, kindly avoid street foods. But if you're someone who is like us, who travels, don't fall. Street foods are for you. What's your name?
Nova Technology Uganda.
Nova Technology Uganda. This is what what's that? That's wine. You know you have a YouTube channel? You have a YouTube channel. What is it?
Baby, you can get us something. Baby, I do it all the time.
We are going to start for this channel. We don't
You two run in my space.
I'm not glad. Yeah,
baby, I'm late, but I still check in, bitch. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. My heart, my mind, and my body.
You have to subscribe.
That is me.
Even doesn't know what she's doing. This one is Nathan. No, but you lied. So I'm going to feed you. So for you to get a good crispy chicken, you have to come this side. Mukwano nze sina gye ngenda.
Nyagala kiwolewolemu waneeno kakiwolenga waali. Lwaki omusindiikiriza?
Soko lete nkwatire nkwata akambigo.
Lero ogenda mala oguleko ogufi okwa?
Guys, it's really heavy. It's really heavy.
Every chicken is available here.
Every chicken is available.
Is available here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, I bought myself a piece.
Yes. Even you are heavy, mommy.
Thank you. Guys, this is my chicken. It's okay. What are so that is plantain. And that's how it looks like. Then here there is water. So guys, that's the station right here. It's a food stop joint. Yeah, and that's the bus we are in. It's for yeah, we go. That's how it looks like. You can buy yourself bananas, avocados, fruits.
Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me.
So guys, we are approaching the River Nile Bridge in Jinja. That's what welcomes you to Jinja. The very beautiful, magnificent bridge. It's called, what's the name of this bridge? River Nile Bridge. I don't know. Yeah, but it's on River Nile. It's a very big, gigantic, magnificent, beautiful bridge here in Uganda. So guys, that's the River Nile. That's the River Nile. It's a very, 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 very good.
You see through the storm, take me Hold you for a night. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but everything go
So guys, those are people going for an introduction actually. So guys, welcome back. This is Mbale City. As you know, Mbale gained its city status. Yeah, we are entering in Mbale right now and heading to Kapchorwa. This trip was from Kampala to Kapchorwa via Mabira Forest. Yeah, so this is Mbale. It really looks beautiful. Guys, that is Mountain Elgon. Guys, this is the ballet town, our corridor. It's there. Chibala teacher. Rooftop bar. What about Chibala teacher? Oh. Yes, singing. Yeah, this is Kumi Road, guys. Kapchorwa, here we come. Here we come. Guys, Kadod is still going on. Kati brother wa mwali. ne bakola balaka bagenda lekerawo ddala
bagenda tuwagera
ne bwova